Welcome back to KP's Kingdom, cooking with KP, and today I'm going to show you how to make these amazing steamed pork dumplings, also known as Nepalese Momos. Alright, 250 grams worth of pork mince or ground pork. Just give that a rough chop up, just like I'm doing right there, just to give ourselves a little bit of a chance of getting our ingredients together. I've got 2.5 spring onions, which I've very finely cut up and really mince that up. That's going in, and here I've also got about a half a cup's worth of water chestnuts. Once again, I've really cut those up really nice and fine. Alright, I have 1 tablespoon's worth of a good quality soy sauce. That can go straight in. I'm also going to add in 2 teaspoons worth of sesame oil. That can go straight in as well. And we're going to put in around about half a teaspoon's worth of white pepper. If you want more, add more. If you want less, add less. Give all of that a really good mixy mix. Take your time and make sure all those flavors are all really nice and well incorporated into each other. And this is going to be our filling for our little dumplings. Right, so just keep mixing that through. It should look something like that. Alright, here I've got some round dumpling wrappers, and I'm just going to add in a little bit in the center, a little bit of water around the edge, just like that. And now we simply have to make up our dumplings. So I'm going to turn these into 4 to start with, like a little cross type pleat like that. And all I'm going to do is start gathering the edges in all together, and we're going to make up beautiful little round dumpling. Now some are going to turn out better than others, and it doesn't really matter if they're perfect or not. It will all taste the same. So just keep bringing your wrappers in all together. Make sure you give them a little bit of a pinch on top, and there we go, we've got our first dumpling. Alright, put that straight into your steamer basket, and I've lined that with a bit of baking paper, and I've made sure I've put a few holes in there as well, just to allow the steam to come through. So all we have to do now is keep doing that another 28 times, so 30 wrappers per packet, and this will take you a little bit of time. This is the hardest part about making this dish, but it's sort of a little bit therapeutic. We're making pastry origami. Okay, so just keep working those edges all in together, bring them all in towards the center. Really nice and simple. Take your time. These dumpling wrappers are a little bit forgiving. You can actually let those sit for a little bit of time. Alright, I'm going to go and keep making the rest of my dumplings. I'm not going to bore you making a million dumplings. Alright, so saucepan, fry pan, wok. I'm going to add in some water, just normal tap temperature hot water. That can go straight into our wok, and we're going to bring that up to a nice little simmer, so we've got a nice amount of steam coming off, something looking like that. Right, nice little simmerage happening right there. We've got 2 baskets full of our dumplings or our momos, and we're going to put 2 baskets in straight on top, just like that. Make sure we put our lid on as well, like that, and I'm going to let those sit for 8 minutes initially. Alright, very simple so far. Alright, 8 minutes has gone by. Mrs. KP's come through with her Teflon hands, and she's going to change our little steamer baskets out, just like that. We've got plenty of water going there. Our top basket's going on the bottom, and bottom on the top. Put the lid back on, and we're going to let that sit for another 8 minutes. Alright, very simple. Now I might as well start getting out some dipping sauces, so I'm just going to put a little bit of a good quality soy sauce in our little top one. I'm going to add in a little bit of a sweet and sour type sauce, or a Vietnamese dipping sauce in the center, and I'm going to add in a bit of ketchup mayonnaise on the bottom. Right, and all 3 of those have different flavors. So all we have to do now is simply get a plate and start arranging our little momos, our little pork dumplings, straight onto a plate, just like that. And this is a great little entree that you can put in the middle of the table and let everyone just dive in and pick what they want. Alright, serve those up with a little plate or a little bowl for people to pick dunk and eat. And you've got these beautiful steamed pork dumplings. Love to see you try and make these ones at home. Thank you so much for watching this video. Really do appreciate it. If you like this video, hit that like button. It gives me confidence. Should make you feel warm and fuzzy too. Hit that notifications bell. You'll be notified every time a new video goes up. And share this video with all your friends on all platforms of social media. We are trying to get the name of KP's Kingdom out there. Leave a comment. Love reading. Love responding to them. In the meantime, you want to learn something from a different culture. This one's from Nepal, not China, or it's not Cantonese. Well, you need to come and join the family. My family, hit that subscribe button and you'll never miss another one of videos again. Off to eat my momos or steamed pork dumplings, and I will catch you next time. Bye.